This
That's
is
what I
Boomer
said.
Zoomer. Hello.
Hey!
This is our first video, so like take it easy on us, and if there's any sort of feedback, then you know where to find us. Okay, so first video, and this week we are going to be answering questions. So she's a loser. She didn't ask anyone. She didn't do anything. She didn't help me with anything. But I asked our friends and family to send in questions for us that they want us to answer. And the big twist is that we are going to be answering the questions as each other. So the questions that my friends asked me, she's going to be answering for me. So it's like a proxy thing.
So, for example, if someone has asked what's Anushka's favorite color, I am supposed to know your favorite color. It's like that.
What is my favorite color?
White,
Yeah.
purple,
Yellow,
yellow,
let's just
orange,
let's just stop the video here.
red, xylophone.
Right. Let's just stop recording. You've been exposed enough. Okay, so do you want to answer questions as me first, or do you want me to answer questions as you first?
You go first. You answer the questions that were posted for me.
Okay. So, you got way more questions than I did, and it's not fair. And I'm cancelling all my friends for this. Okay. So first question is, when are you taking classes for all of us? Meaning, when is she taking classes for my friends? Never.
Right.
No, too much. The risk is too high, guys. It's not worth it. I appreciate you asking, but there are too many. It's not fair. How do you unwind? She needs mine and my brother. She irritates me and my brother. Basically,
Yes. Right.
what else does she do to unwind? Well, she used to play the mandolin. Keyboard being used. How are you so fit? She spent like 25 minutes trying to get her good camera angle. That's how she's fit, people. That's how she's fit. How are you so confident? I have zero confidence. You answer this.
Well, appearances are deceptive, clearly, because I have my own insecurities, really, and I'm not being, cliche and stuff. Appearances are really very deceptive.
With the pajama addiction, or is it the new fashion?
Don't bother. Just don't bother.
Ma'am is literally wearing trackback right? That's fine. Do you get negativity from people? I hope not. Me and my brother are waiting to show hands. You all better not be hating on my mom. I'm serious.
No, I get a lot of it. It's just that I have this bypass, so it goes from here and goes straight out.
Yeah, but who's sending you negativity?
Well, people from my field, fitness field.
I'm some. All of them.
I'm 51, so yeah, I cannot possibly compete 20-year-old something. Yeah, I take it in my stride.
I mean, you don't even like. Okay, so one of my friends asked you to convince her mom to let her get a tattoo. Oh, she has a
You know
beautiful-
what? Here's the plan. Here's the plan. So what we'll do is I'll tell your mom that I need to take you as moral support for a touch-up. And then things just happen.
It happened.
Yeah, it just happened.
What are you gonna do? Is doing Shavasana the whole day good for your body? Yes, 12 on 10 would recommend Shavasana all day, every day. I am all about that Shavasana.
She does
thing,
it,
guys.
but yeah, she does it, but
Come on! I didn't choose the Shavasana. Which yoga asana can cure for you?
all up. Just get on the mat. Roll out that mat.
Okay, so this is a question that we expect both of us to answer about each other. Her most annoying but significant habit. Wait for a second. Every single time this woman has fallen sick in her life, I think, or since the internet has been around, she's ancient. I don't know. Daughter is in medicine. I can speak to qualified medical professionals. I can Google it. That's the good shit. Let me Google what's wrong with me. This woman could have watery eyes and she'll be like, yeah, I have lacrimal duct cancer. I don't know what the lacrimal duct is, where it is, but I have lacrimal duck cancer because that's what WebMD said. So say your goodbye. What is my most annoying thing that can happen?
It has to be the amount of surfacing time you take, the number of beds or couches we have. She spends like half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes on each one of them after waking up in the morning. So her surfacing time ranges anywhere between 2 hours, 5 hours.
Okay, that is
Yes.
not fair. That is uncalled for. I am a joy to be around in the morning, and I don't know what you're talking about.
My older son and I, Anirudh and I, call you grumpy, not for nothing. Grumpy mornings, start.
Okay, so we are now going to be moving on to the questions that my friend wanted to answer, which I'm going to answer. Yeah, you're in the
No
hot seat
pressure.
now. She didn't even know my favorite color, and now she's expected to answer these like complicated things. So I'm okay. Did I learn yoga for my sake or was it because you were okay? For those of you losers that don't know, mom is a yoga instructor, and she has been practicing yoga herself for like 45 years now. Yeah, she's around
38.
So yeah, did I learn yoga because of you or an expert?
Definitely, but she took it
I gave her two options. She's like, definitely.
No, definitely because of me. But then she took it a step further. She got into general fitness because of other things.
Again, same thing. Would I be too much into yoga if it wasn't?
First of all, the question I think is questionable because she's not that much into yoga, guys. Oh yes, I know this is misplaced. I don't know what you've been telling your friend. This is misplaced.
Do I prefer non-yoga?
Definitely not.
Yoga related, guys. We
No.
have bonding points outside of
No.
yoga. She's my mother.
No, definitely not. Workouts, not yoga. Because I think she finds it a little slow.
It's not slow, like no offense to anyone who's yoga practitioner, but I think my flexibility is decent. Like I've always thought that my flexibility is very good. So I need to work more on yoga nowadays because I want to know my body is very something like comparatively exact. Yeah, non
You can build body. You haven't done.
yoga, guys. It's the future. How many languages do I? Oh, let's see how well you know me. How many languages do I? And like additional bonus challenges. Name
Okay.
them. Okay.
Name English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Spanish, French. 5.
Yeah, that's it. I do understand a bit of Gujarati, but I don't count that as like I will probably say something like super offensive if I try. How to get out of it?
In case you have to talk, feet down first. We open those eyelids, they open and they shut. Open and shut, we open that. Then we get the feet off and the legs and the rest of the body. And unlike her, we don't roll off the bed. We, like decent civilized people, we get up and we stand upright. That's how. We don't roll off our bed into our mom's bed and
Okay.
snuggle inside mom's
You-
blanket.
She's comfy, guys. I don't know. Very but I wake up at like 4.
You went to sleep at 5:30 a.m. Good. Let's not get started.
Okay, last question. The spiciest one yet, y'all. Which yoga pose will get me all the goal? I'm making that. Dandasana.
Dandasana.
Definitely. Okay.
You got it, you planted.
We're not getting into that. That is for another time and definitely not on camera.
You go to sleep at 4.
That's relevant.
And you get high on Maza and Sprite.
I'm gonna edit that out. Like, take an L. You shouldn't have left it.
L is different.
Anyway, this has been that's the boomer and the boomer. She's my mom.
That's what she insists.
That
The
is
boomer
just
and the zoomer
horrifying.
part. The boomer and the zoomer small part. Mini. You've said things like Maza hits my soul, not my stomach. So I rest my case.
Maza has set like unrealistic standards for people in my life. Like I'm single because I love Maza that much. No one can make me as happy as Maza does. That's all I'm gonna say. Maza. Yes, Maza. And this video is not being sponsored by Maza. I just really like that. Okay, bye. Also, if you have any feedback for us, let us know. No negativity. I said it before, I'll say it again. No one hates on my mom. If you have feedback, the comment section is right down there. You know the usual, like, share, subscribe, comment. Send lots of love because we need validation. And if you have any ideas for what we can do next week or any ideas for videos in general, yeah, do let us know. And take care, y'all. Stay safe. Bye.